In the world of personal finance, understanding the intricacies of your financial tools is paramount. Just like the food in your pantry or the license in your wallet, physical cards often come with an expiration date. This applies to traditional bank debit and credit cards, and it's a perfectly normal part of their life cycle. But what about the Wise card, a popular choice for international transactions? Does a Wise card expire, and if so, what do you need to know to ensure seamless money management? As a finance expert, I'm here to shed light on this common question, explaining the details in plain English so anyone can grasp it. The short answer: yes, your Wise card has an expiry date. To put it directly, yes, your physical Wise debit card will have an expiration date printed on it. This is standard practice for virtually all payment cards issued by financial institutions, including banks and e-money institutions like Wise. You'll typically find the expiry date on the front of your card, usually in a MM/YY format, e.g., June 28th, meaning June 2028. This date signifies the last month and year that your current card will be valid for use. Why do cards expire? The reasons behind the date. Card expiration dates aren't just an arbitrary detail. They serve several important purposes. Security enhancement. Over time, card details can become compromised, whether through data breaches, skimming, or simply wear and tear. Regularly issuing new cards with new numbers and security codes, CVV, helps to mitigate these risks and keep your account more secure. Technological updates. Payment technology evolves. New cards might incorporate enhanced security features like improved EMV, chip, technology, contactless payment capabilities, or other advancements that improve the user experience and security. Expiration dates ensure that users periodically receive cards with the latest technology. Wear and tear. Physical cards are subjected to daily use, swiping, inserting into card readers, carrying in wallets. This constant friction can lead to physical damage, making the card unreadable or unreliable. An expiration date ensures you receive a fresh, functional card before your old one becomes unusable. Compliance and regulation. Financial regulations often require periodic reissuance of cards to ensure that customer information is up to date and that anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC requirements are met. Customer data refresh. When a new card is issued, it often prompts the financial institution to review your account details, ensuring everything is current. This is particularly relevant for international services like Wise, where residency or contact information might change. What happens when your Wise card is about to expire? Wise has a streamlined process to help you manage your card's expiration, aiming to ensure you're never left without a functional card. Timely notifications. Wise is proactive. You'll typically receive notifications, usually via email or within the Wise app, when your card is approaching its expiration date. This often happens around 2 months before the actual expiry month. These reminders are designed to give you ample time to order a replacement. Ordering a replacement. You can typically order a new card up to 6 months before your current card expires. This generous window allows you to get your new card well in advance, especially if you're traveling or in a location where delivery might take longer. Free replacement for expired cards. If your card is expiring due to its natural life cycle, Wise generally offers a free replacement card. This is a great perk, as some traditional banks might charge a fee for reissuance. Continued use of old card. Temporarily, your existing Wise card will usually remain active and functional until the last day of the month it expires, or until you activate your new replacement card, whichever comes first. This means you won't experience an immediate disruption in service once your new card arrives. You can continue using the old one until you're ready to switch. How to order a replacement Wise card. The process for ordering a new Wise card is straightforward and can be done easily through the Wise app or website. Log in to your Wise account. Navigate to the Cards section. This is where you manage all your Wise debit cards. Look for an option like Replace Card or a clear prompt indicating your card is expiring. Confirm your shipping address. Ensure the address is current to guarantee your new card reaches you. Confirm the details and place the order. Wise will then process your request and ship the new card to you. Delivery times can vary depending on your location, so it's always a good idea to order well in advance. Important considerations after receiving your new card. Once your new Wise card arrives, there are a few important steps and considerations. Activation. For most regions, your new Wise card is often pre-activated for online and mobile wallet purchases. However, for full functionality, particularly for in-store chip and PIN payments or ATM withdrawals, you may need to perform an initial transaction using your PIN or activate it within the Wise app/website. Update saved card details. If you have your Wise card details saved for recurring payments like subscriptions, online shopping, or bill payments, remember to update these with your new card number and expiration date once your old card expires or is no longer in use. This is crucial to avoid failed payments. Mobile wallets. If you use your Wise card with mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, you'll need to remove your old card and add the new one to these services. Securely dispose of your old card. Once your new card is activated and you've updated all necessary details, make sure to securely dispose of your old, expired card. Cut it up thoroughly through the chip and magnetic stripe to prevent any fraudulent use. What about Wise digital cards? It's worth noting that Wise also offers digital cards. These are virtual cards that exist only within your Wise account and mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. While they don't have a physical form, they do still have an expiry date, just like physical cards. The benefits of digital cards include enhanced security. You can generate new card details easily, and convenience for online spending. The expiry and replacement process for digital cards is managed within the Wise app, allowing you to generate new card details as needed.